Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. Welcome to Carla's Kitchen CC YouTube channel. Hey, Carla the big bad chef.
Welcome back. Today we're going to be frying a whole chicken. The chicken has been seasoned for 1 week, so I'm going to go ahead and remove it from the foil so you can see what the chicken is looking like. And I'm also going to be putting the measurements in the description box, so check the description box for the measurements, the cooking time. Thank you guys so much.
Like, comment and share. Yeah man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever she upload a new
Here is the seasoned bird, and I've used lime and vinegar to wash this chicken.
Run, go subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC. Yeah.
In my bowl, I have 2.5 cups of flour. I have a mixture of all-purpose seasoning, salt, and black pepper. So I'm mixing well to combine all the seasoning with the flour, and this is to coat the chicken with. Ensure that this chicken is seasoned properly, guys. Make sure you rub the season inside and out. Lift the chicken skin up and rub the season on the chicken breast. Make sure every part of the chicken has season, using your index finger and your middle finger to rub the season underneath the skin of the chicken. Rub on top of the chicken, rub it in well, guys, so your chicken can taste great after you finish frying. Now I'm going to start coating the chicken with the flour, ensuring that all of the chicken is covered with flour inside and out, guys. And then I'm going to rub it in properly. And I'm going to flip the chicken over and coat the back of the chicken as well. And I'm not going to be using any eggs in this recipe because I'm going to be doing the water bath method, so I'm not going to be using any eggs. So this will be an eggless fried chicken. Now that I've finished coating the chicken with the flour, I'm going to give it a little shake to make sure that I get off excessive amount of flour from the chicken. Then I'm going to move on to my water bath. Here's my water, so I'm going to dip the chicken in the water, and then I'm going to spin the chicken over. Then I'm going to take the chicken up and let it drip a little bit. Then I'm going to put it back in the flour, and I'm going to repeat the step by coating the chicken again with the flour. After finish coating the chicken the second time, I'm going to repeat the same steps by dipping it into the water. Now I'll press the flour down on the chicken so I can get that flaky detail look that I'm looking for. So this is how you'll do it, guys. Flip the chicken over and you press the flour. See the flakes that I'm talking about? Look, guys, that is exactly what I'm talking about right there. Yes, guys. So I'm gonna pour some oil in my pot, and I'm using a big pot, so I'm pouring enough oil to fry this whole chicken. I will now add 1 Scotch bonnet pepper to my oil along with some pimento seeds, and this is just to flavor up my oil. Once my oil is hot, I'm going to go in with my chicken, and make sure your oil is up 350 degrees. Now I'm going to be frying this chicken for 20 to 30 minutes or until golden brown and cook right through. Chicken is frying nicely, guys, so I'm just coating some oil on top here. Yes guys, and if you're still here, please do remember to like this video, share the video out, comment underneath the video. Thank you so much for your support. Yes guys, it smells so good. Now I'm about to flip this chicken. Wow, delicious fried chicken. Now here is the chicken, and guys, the best way to tell if the chicken is cooked is to check the internal temperature with a meat thermometer and ensure that it is at least 165 Fahrenheit at the thickest part, and you know the thickest part would be the chicken breast. Wow, look at this chicken, delicious fried chicken. It is so crunchy and nice, guys. Try it out. It is very simple, easy, and delicious, and you can have fried dumplings with your fried chicken, roast breadfruit with your fried chicken, festival with your fried chicken, rice and peas, whatever you want to eat your fried chicken with, you can do so. Thank you so much for your support, and if you're new here, remember to subscribe before leaving and turn on your post notification bell so you will be alerted when I post a next upload. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in another one. Take care. Bye.